Hi guys, I know that you're waiting for my full review of AccuFace E405 clone, but I just won't be able to make it today as I'm leaving for the second part of my vacation tomorrow morning. But as a teaser and something for you to watch in the meantime, I've received two sets of amplifiers yesterday. The first one is this, it's actually Gryphon Tabu Century clone. I think it's Century because I've traced the schematics to HiFi do-it-yourself.net, which is actually HiFi DIY.net forum, and there's a thread in Chinese, and guys there are exchanging schematics for Gryphon amplifiers. So I've actually had problems ordering this one because there are only three stores on AliExpress that are selling these, and two of them cancelled my orders when I've used coupons, so probably my price went too low. They said that it's out of stock and that they cannot deliver and they have to cancel my order, which was not very fair because at the same time I still saw the offers valid and available through AliExpress application. Okay, so when I realized that I may have some problems, I also realized that the chassis for this amplifier is branded with TRANSAUDIO, and the first clone amplifier that I bought, DartZeel clone, was also branded with TRANSAUDIO. So I reached to the shop that I got D5 Pro from, asking if they will be able to source Gryphon Tabu for me. And they said that yes, it's possible, but I'll have to wait for a couple of days. And they've done that. They've prepared an auction, an offer on AliExpress for Gryphon Tabu, and I bought it using my coupons, my coins, and everything that I could to lower the price, and it's here. So, just a short preview, as you've asked me during the poll that I've made. Short preview what's inside the build. We have input. Yes, at some point in time I'll get some proper pointer. Right now I'll use an FM antenna, but don't do this at home. It's disconnected from power obviously right now. Okay, so we have three inputs here and a board that switches them through relays. We have volume control here. It's Blue Alps. It's very hard to see, but it actually has Alps sticker on the back. In the front we have a source selector and volume control dial. Okay, we have quite nice toroidal transformer. We have delayed start here, and when it's powered on, it actually waits for a while, and when both amplifiers for left and right channel are ready, then it starts up. So it's in this way, in this regard, it's very similar to D5 Pro, the DartZeel clone. As you can see, it also has two LED status LEDs. Okay, we have rectifiers here, we have capacitor bags here. Capacitors are SAM1, and these are 63 volts and 6,800 microfarads each. What I've read on the web on SAM1 says that these are quite reliable, although they are not the top audio brands. I've seen them a couple of times in some precision instrumentary power supplies, in some PC power supplies. I saw them once in an audio-video receiver from Harman Kardon, I think. But that was only once. So anyway, they are working fine, but that would be the first point of upgrade if you'd like to upgrade this amplifier in the future. Okay, we have some nice red German VMAs here. We have, as you can see, fuses, 2 fuses per channel, and I think yes, we have 1 fuse integrated with power plug here. What else is interesting here? These ICs in deep 8 sockets here. These are for DC servo circuit, and these are precision operational amplifiers from Texas Instruments, OP07D. So that's actually a very nice thing, and these are very precise. What else? The main amplification circuit, the main amplification board is here under the power board, and it's using 2 pairs of sunken transistors. There's another set on the bottom of the PCB. It's also using 1 MKP foil capacitor. It's 1 microfarad, so that would be, I don't know the brand, I completely don't know the brand, but that would maybe possibly be the second thing to upgrade in future. We have some nice ceramic resistors in there, and I think that's it for the first look video. It's burning in right now, it's playing quietly in the background. It's getting warm, not hot but warm. I've measured the temperature on the fins, and temperature on the fins is maximum 43 degrees centigrade. So that's not very hot. I think that's it. I think that's all I can mention here. As you can see, there are some nice speaker cables. So the actual speaker output is done using very thick copper cables. As it was with D5 Pro, the build is highly modular, so you can disassemble this quite fast, and it will be a good thing to service in case it breaks, because you can have very easy access to every part of PCB, every single part of the device. One more thing I wanted to mention, which I usually forgot to mention, is take a look at this. We have a nicely grounded case. It's grounded here, all PCBs are grounded, and the case is also grounded. So that's something very nice. I like the build here, I like the look, I like the precise scale, I like the tactile feel here, and switching here is very nicely done. So all in all, good quality build. Maybe in time, maybe in future, I would go for replacing caps, capacitor banks for power supply, and maybe this one here, this foil capacitor. So stay tuned for a full review. I'll be leaving for another part of my vacation till the end of the week. So next weekend I'll be back home, and the first thing is to do critical listening sessions on AccuPhase E405, which had quite a long burn-in, because I've left it playing during the first part of my vacation, and together it was for like 2 weeks in a row. So I don't know how it sounds yet, but the one thing I can tell you is that it works flawlessly. It was working for 14 days continuously, 24 hours, 7 days a week, and it's perfectly fine. Okay, stay tuned for a full review of that. I'll try to record 2 short videos today, 2 more. That's all I think I can manage in the short time I'll be home. The next video will be preview on the small blocks. So see you next time. Bye guys.